Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see the post which you have saved on Instagram. Now if you want to see the post which you have saved on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the story kept by your friends at the very upper taskbar. Now to see the post which you have saved on Instagram, you may simply click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you will be able to see the number of the posts which you have saved. But if there are any posts missing on your Instagram, then it may have been archived or you may have been archived. To see it, you just need to click on the option of your three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of archived. So click on it, and here you will see the option of stories, and you will see the option of post and live archive. So click on the option of stories and click on the option of post archive, and here you will be able to see the number of posts which you have done in Instagram and which you have archived. So you will be able to see the number of posts which you have done on Instagram, and also be able to see the archive post on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.